May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Sanju? Is this your company?
Yes, it's mine. Come, sit. Interview timing was 12 pm. You are 15 minutes late.
Actually, it took me a while to find the office. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Give me the resume.
Sanju,
You are not a guest in this house. You are the daughter in law of this house. You will have to do the household chores.
why should I do? I'm not the maid of this house. In my father's house, I never kept a glass of water. And you want me to do all the household chores?
If you will not do it, then who will come to do it?
I don't know who will do that. I won't be able to do it. And this house is run by my father's money.
What are you trying to say?
Don't you know? You have been sitting at home for 6 months, you don't have a job. So how is the house running? The money that I brought in dowry, it's running on those only.
We didn't ask for any dowry, and I don't know that it's dowry money. I thought you had money, that's why I told you to use the money for household chores.
Hey, that's my father's money. And whatever comes from my house will be called dowry, right?
It's useless talking to you, you know? Ria, I need some money. I needed it for my mother's medicines.
It's not my responsibility to get your mother's medicines. Earn and give her medicines.
Please don't say like this. My work has started. As soon as it starts working, I'll return all your money back.
You need money? Do one thing. Go to my home and take them from my father.
Why from your father?
He should also know whom he got me married, how useless he is.
Can't you hear my mom's voice? She's been calling for so long. Her cough isn't stopping, she's vomiting. If you give her a glass of water or you take care of her, will anything go wrong with you?
I'm neither a doctor, nor a nurse, nor a maid. And if you care so much about your mother, then hire someone for her.
I never thought you would be so arrogant. And the arrogance of your father's money on your head? The day it comes down, you will know that what you are doing. And if you think that I'm bad, then why are you living with me? Why did you get married?
Hey, I made a big mistake by marrying you. But now I will correct this mistake. I need divorce from you now.
I want it too.
Fine. I want to talk to you.
Yes, you can. But just make it quick. Because you are already 15 minutes late and I have a meeting after your interview.
I know. I did a lot of wrong with you. The pain I gave you, no one can bear. And I had so much pride on my father's money. And I felt like I am doing a favor on you by helping you. And I am the one who is running your home. I never showed you respect. I never respected your family. I used to think that you won't be able to do anything in your life. And if I'll get separated from you, I'll become free. But I was so wrong. After Dad left, everything got changed. Sister-in-law started taunting me. Brother started calling me a burden. They even started scolding me for food. And after few days, they pushed me out of the home. Then I realized that that was my home which I left.
See, whatever happened, we can't change it. Yes, we can learn from it. Now, to whomever you have married, you please don't do all this with him.
I haven't got married to anyone.
You haven't married? Then what about this Sindoor and Mangalsutra?
This Mangalsutra and Sindoor is on your name.
Why in my name? We are already divorced, right?
Yes. But I couldn't think of marrying anyone else. When I realized that I did so wrong to you, that day I started wearing my Mangalsutra again and put my sindoor. Not because I wanted to come back to you, but because I always want to be yours. And I decided that I won't marry anybody else.
It doesn't work like that. Life is very long. You can't live alone.
With whom I wanted to live. Now it's not possible.
Why?
You must have got married till now, na?
No. I didn't get married.
It's been 5 years we got divorced. Why you haven't got married till now?
So that no one else can taunt me. I put all my attention on my work and I built this company. And to be honest, I didn't think of anyone else other than you.
Please forgive me. I made you so much trouble because of my arrogance. I'm sorry.
Okay, you stop crying. Huh? Calm down.
You tell me that you forgave me or not?
I have forgiven you long back. Whatever I am today, just because of you. If you didn't say all that, I wouldn't have the courage to start such a big company. Hey,
Will you marry me again?
yes,
I love you.
I love you too. Set. Give me the interview now.